Hey everybody, Attorney Tom here. I'm at home, I have a green screen behind me, and today we're going to be reacting to some TikTok, so let's just jump straight into it.
He owes me $500, but he won't pay up. What should I do? Do you have any proof that he owes you the money? Nope. Okay, then write him a letter asking for the $5,000 that he owes you. But it's only $500. Exactly. That's what he'll reply with, then you'll have the proof. My neighbor...
Alright, so there actually is some truth to this. Obviously, I can't tell you to do anything unethical like lie, but this is a backhanded way to getting somebody to admit to a debt that they owe. And yes, having it in writing does help. Pro tip, before you loan somebody money, get it in writing beforehand that you are loaning them money and that the money you are giving them is in fact a loan and they need to pay it back. Then you won't have to deal with this. But that's a pretty funny TikTok. Alright, let's move on.
I'd like to sue my parents.
Okay, on what grounds?
For causing my existence.
I don't think we can do that.
Why not?
You gotta prove damages, financial, physical, emotional.
Well, they've caused all of the above by putting me in this world without my consent.
You couldn't accept or refuse your existence if you didn't exist yet.
But I exist now. I want to withdraw my consent.
Right, but what case could we possibly make to a judge or jury?
Well, that my parents should have looked around and seen that life is just an immense chapter of accidents and that adulthood is just punishment for all the fun you had in childhood.
We're gonna have to prove intent. We need evidence.
Oh, I have evidence. I have evidence right here. And that's a picture of them in Los Angeles before I was born, right? So we can argue that after visiting LA, they should have seen that humanity was a mistake.
Okay, we might have a case here.
Okay, so can you sue for wrongful birth? The short answer is no. Actually, the long answer is no. You just can't sue for wrongful birth. But it was a great video. He sounds like he will make a great lawyer one day.
Okay, so I want you to show this picture to a child of yours, preferably one who can't read. Ask them what it is, because it looks like applesauce pouches or fruit pouches to me, and these are sold at the store from Sheetz. I was at Sheetz with hand sanitizer. You tell me who's going to put that in their mouth. Okay, so I want...
Yeah, so I agree with her. That's definitely dangerous. That's a products liability case. The most important question with those kind of cases is it foreseeable? Is it foreseeable that a child mistake that for applesauce or another sort of snack? And remember, children can't read, so they can't see that it says it kills 99.9% of germs. So is it foreseeable that a child consume that? And with the bright colors and the packaging, I would say yes. And there's reasonably safer alternatives to that kind of packaging.
Unfortunately, the answer to this question is yes. Up to 42 people died while building the Empire State Building. Unfortunately.
Yep. So that's why we have construction worker, and just workers in general, is why they are subject to regulations, safety regulations, and laws protecting them, is because historically, corporations would just do anything to get the job done, and who cares if they lost a person or 42 along the way? They didn't, so they needed to be forced to. That's why we have laws like OSHA and other things like that. So they're actually very important.
Hi, we're at Kherkher Bakery and a fight has broken out among a bunch of customers and they're all screaming at each other. No, it was physical as well.
Okay, yeah, so long story short, we're going to finish it really quick, but if you are ever at work and it's an unsafe environment due to somebody, or due to anybody, whether it's a coworker or not, feel free to call the police. You have the expectation, you have the right to a reasonably safe work environment. Somebody fighting in that work environment makes it not safe. So go ahead, call the police.
Yes, they were physically fighting. They're all still in store. No one's touching each other at the moment, but they're still screaming now. I don't know, honestly. Someone said something to someone's kid and now she's screaming, and then I don't know, someone pushed someone.
The caption says that she's gossiping with the 911 operator.
I think
pretty funny.
One of them is leaving. No, the younger kid is leaving and the other folks are still here.
That's brutal. Tough day at the job. Tough day. All right. Gary Vaynerchuk's texting me. Okay, that has no legal significance, but that's probably one of my favorite TikToks of all time. So I just wanted to watch it. Okay, that's it for today's video. I hope you liked it. Please make sure you subscribe to my channel if you want to see more of this type of content, and leave comments and questions down below if you have any. I really love engaging with you guys and hanging out. I'm having a lot of fun making these videos, and I plan on making a lot more in the future, and your support really means a lot to me. So that's it for today's video. I hope everybody has a good day, and I'll talk to you guys later.